Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Code, and this is Ajay Avasthi and you are watching Angular 9 tutorial series, and today we will discuss about Angular forms. So let's start. So friends, if we talk about forms are the main building blocks in any application, and we can create many type of forms like login form, registration form, feedback forms and other custom forms. And in Angular, it is categorized into two categories. First is the template driven approach. Second is the reactive forms or a model driven approach. So friends, today our main topic is template driven forms. So as the name suggests, template driven forms means a forms that is driven or are created by a template is called as template driven forms. And in template driven forms, we are doing everything in template, so it is called template driven forms, and it is easy to use. And what is template is nothing but it is a HTML file that is associated with a component. It is having some prerequisites to set up. First is register forms module in app.module.ts, means we have to register our forms module in root module. Second is register ng forms in component, where we are going to implement it. So let's implement it through practically. And this is our project where we are working on. First we have to import our forms module. So just write Angular forms and forms module. So we have to mention forms module in input section and save it. And second is we have to create a form. We will create a form div class container div class. Friends, we are creating forms through Bootstrap, and if you don't see my last video, that was based on Bootstrap, so you can see and learn about Bootstrap, how to install and how to use Bootstrap in Angular project. So friends, we have to create a form tag, form, and just format it and create a button. So we will create some more fields like last name, email and mobile number. Last name, email, contact number, so friends, we just created a basic form. So let's check it in UI in browser. So this is a form, and one class is like form control. Save. Now it is okay. So just copy and paste to all controls. So friends, this is a basic form. Now we will convert it to template driven form. For template driven forms, we have to include a local variable like reg form and export a ng form into it. And we have to take one event like ng submit, and we have to create a function, pass our local variable. Next step is we have to mention ng model here, and we have to declare this function to our component. And as we mentioned here, reg forms, and which is export from ng form, so we have to mention ng form here, ng form. Now we can check this like console.log reg form dot value, so friends, let's understand what we did. First we assign a local variable and export our ng form to that local variable, and through this we can get all the properties of ng form. Friends, this means we provided all the powers of ng form to our local variable, and we can check all the functionality, means state of our form. If any value changes inside our forms, we can check, and we can check value of any input controls through this variable. And second is when we click on submit button, then this event will be fired and it calls on submit function, and we have passed the reg form into it, so we can get all the values of input controls. So let's check F12, and here we have to pass some values. Submit. Friends, if you see, we are having a JSON of all the values that we have passed, like contact number, email, first name, last name. We can get all the values. So this is our basic template driven form, and we are having some more functionalities like suppose we have to group some names like first name and last name, and we have to group our address field, so we can group it by like ng model group, and it is having a name like we have mentioned its name like name, and closed it. Okay. And submit. If you see here, name is treated like a model class. It is useful when we are having a different classes, like for address we are having like different fields like city, state, country, building name, street number. So we can create a separate class for it and we can directly push that to our main model. So friends, this is a template driven forms. It have some simple steps, like first is we have to declare our forms module. Second is we have to create a form and create a local variable and export ng forms into it, and we have to create a event and call a function and pass that local variable into it, and we have to use ng model and name property. Friends, in next coming video we will learn about two-way binding in template driven forms and also learn about a validation, how to implement the validation in template driven form. So friends, if you like my video and you want to learn more about Angular, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.